If a by root bc, this one is a by root bc minus 2 is equals to root b by c plus root c by b, where a comma b comma c are positive greater than 0, then the family of straight lines passes through a fixed point. This is the question. If a by root bc minus 2 is equals to root b by c plus root c by b, where abc greater than 0, then the family of straight lines passes through a fixed point. It's a family of lines question. You write down. Oh, sorry, family of straight lines is not given. The family of straight lines, you add here root ax plus root by plus root c is equals to 0. We add this one, this equation to question. Now the question is complete. If a by root bc minus 2 is equals to root b by c plus root c by b, where a comma b comma c greater than 0, then the family of straight lines root a x plus root b y plus root c equal to 0 passes through a fixed point. This is the complete question. The given family is what? Root ax plus root by plus root c is equals to 0. Root c is equals to, this is the given family. So now take the given condition. What is the condition? A by root bc minus 2 is equals to root b by c plus root c by b. This is the given condition. Now what you do is, here this is nothing but a minus 2 root bc by root bc is equals to, this can be written as root b by root c plus root c by root b. Next, this implies a minus 2 root bc by root bc is equals to, here you will have root bc, here root c cancel, here this one is b plus c. Here in question it is given that a comma b comma c all are positive. This is the given condition. Now in this condition these two things are positive, non-zero, therefore we can cancel. Otherwise we cannot cancel. Here in question it is mentioned that ABC are positive, therefore you can cancel root BC. Now this condition becomes a minus 2 root BC is equals to b plus c. Now this implies you take this total thing right hand side, then this becomes, condition becomes b plus c plus 2 root b into root c minus a is equals to 0. Next, now this b can be written as, this implies this b can be written as root b square and c can be written as root c square plus 2 root b into root c minus a can be written as root a whole square. Because ABC are positive, therefore you can write a as root a square, because root a is defined, it's a real number, therefore this is equals to 0. Now it's a perfect square. This implies this first part is what? Root b plus root c whole square minus root a square is equals to 0. So this implies, this is of the form a plus b into a minus b. This a plus b into a minus b. That implies root b plus root C plus root A into root B plus root C minus root A is equals to 0. But in question it is given that A, B, C are positive. Therefore here product of two numbers is equals to 0, either this one equals 0 or this one equals 0. But here A, B, C are positive, therefore this never be 0. This part never be 0 because A, B, C all are positive. Therefore this never be 0, this part. Therefore only possibility is, that implies root B plus root C minus root A is equals to 0. Only possibility is this one equals, second term is equals to 0. Now by rearranging the terms, you can write this condition as minus root A plus root B plus root C is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Here what is our requirement? You make this constant. Given family of lines is this one. This is the given family of lines. This is the given condition. In given family of lines, what is the constant? Root C. Here in given condition, root C. Make these two terms same. Then you compare. Now you can write one more step. This can be written as root A into minus 1 plus root B into 1 plus root C is equals to 0. Now if you compare our, this is the given condition. Now compare with our family of lines. What is our family of lines? Root AX plus root BY plus root C is equals to 0. This is the family of lines. Here in place of x what is there? Minus 1. In place of y, 1. So whatever the parameters A, B, C might be, as A, B, C changes, line changes. But all the family passes through which point? Minus 1, 1. The fixed point minus 1, 1. This is the final answer. So this family, as A, B, C changes, you will have different infinitely many lines. The point of concurrency is what? This minus 1 and 1. Minus 1, 1. This is the answer. So option B is correct. Therefore option B is correct. This one is correct.